Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in Settings, open it now and tap Focus to access all modes. Once done, you'll see Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work. Select the active mode you want to turn off. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked so changes apply immediately. If prompts appear for Face ID or passcode, authenticate. This step locates the control. It prevents accidental toggles and prepares you for the actual disable action. You tap the Active Focus profile to open its controls. Now look for the main toggle at the top and switch it off. While you're here, check Schedules and Automation. Turn them off if they re-enable focus automatically. Make sure Focus status in Control Center also reflects off. If not, open Control Center and toggle there too. These checks stop future reactivation and explain why toggling both places matters. You finish by verifying Focus is off in Control Center and on the lock screen. This confirms success. If Focus reappears, inspect shortcuts, automation, or third-party apps that may trigger it. Disable those routines. As a quick fix, restart your iPhone. Make sure scheduled automations are deleted or toggled off. If problems persist, reset Focus settings in Settings to clear custom rules. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.